Recently, I've been getting quite a few questions about independent living. Many people want to know what the benefits are compared to other senior options like assisted living. In today's video, we'll go over my top 5 benefits of independent living. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Rob King with Valley Senior Advisors. We provide free senior living placement services throughout the Phoenix area. On this channel, we post weekly videos to help you navigate the world of senior care. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, so what is independent living? Independent living is a type of senior living that allows adults to live on their own in a community setting while still having access to support services. It's a good option for adults who are able to live independently but want the peace of mind of knowing that help is available if they need it. The housing options in independent living communities range from private apartments to townhomes, varying in size from studios to 2-bedroom units. It's also a good option for adults who want to be around other people and participate in social activities. There are 2 main types of independent living. The first is standalone independent living communities. These are like a typical apartment, but with a few unique amenities that are specifically designed for seniors. The second is called a life plan community. In addition to independent living, these communities have assisted living options as well. Residents are able to move up or down in care levels as their needs change. You may also hear these referred to as continuing care retirement communities. Now that we've talked a bit about independent living, let's talk about the top 5 benefits of independent living. Number 1 is the maintenance-free lifestyle. One of the biggest benefits of independent living is that you don't have to worry about day-to-day chores and repairs that come with home ownership. This includes things like mowing the lawn, fixing appliances, and painting. Instead, you can focus on enjoying your retirement and spending time with loved ones. Benefit number 2 is the social opportunities. Independent living communities offer a great opportunity to socialize with other active adults. In our last video, we discussed the Surgeon General's advisory on the epidemic of loneliness. Seniors with poor social connections are at higher risk of stroke, heart disease, dementia, and other chronic diseases. Independent living communities typically provide a variety of social activities and events throughout the week, such as themed dinners, game nights, and field trips. This is a great way to build social connections and make new friends in the community. Benefit number 3 is security and safety. Independent living communities are designed with security and safety in mind. Most independent living communities have front desk personnel as well as surveillance cameras and secure entry systems. This level of security deters unwanted guests and also provides residents with the peace of mind that someone is always looking out for resident safety. Another critical safety feature in independent living are call buttons in residents' living spaces. These buttons are typically located in bedrooms and bathrooms where accidents are most likely to occur. With just the press of a button, residents can summon help in case of a fall, medical emergency, or any other urgent situation. Benefit number 4 is the amenities offered at the community. Independent living communities offer a variety of amenities that can make your life easier and more enjoyable. These amenities may include things like fitness centers, libraries, and beauty salons. Many independent living communities also offer dining options ranging from casual cafes to formal dining rooms. This takes the burden of cooking off of residents and provides a social dining experience. Some communities go even further, offering amenities like swimming pools, art studios, movie theaters, and even transportation services for shopping trips and medical appointments. And finally, benefit number 5 is access to health and wellness programs. As we age, staying healthy is key. Many independent living communities have fitness centers with a range of equipment that's tailored to the needs of older adults. An added bonus to life plan communities is the option to transition to assisted living within the same community if the need arises. This is a huge benefit because it means you don't have to leave your familiar surroundings or say goodbye to the friends you've made. Instead, you can continue living in the same community, but with the added healthcare and support that you need. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 benefits to independent living. Can you think of any benefits I missed? If you can think of one, leave it in the comments. That's all for today's video. If you got value from this information, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of when we post new videos. Valley Senior Advisors is committed to helping you find the best senior living options, and our services are 100% free. If we can help you or a loved one, please give us a call. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.